everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how the upcoming month of May is going to be for your zodiac. And now talking about the Libra zodiac. So Libras for love. If you're single, it seems like you are kind of on a journey of enjoying being single. So you can have a new connection as well. It can also bring some kind of positivity, adventure in your life as well. But it seems like you can also be happy with the way things are as well. So for this month, yes, you can be happy with yourself, how things are between you and yourself, but there can be a possibility of you meeting someone new as well, and this person can also make you feel cheerful, optimistic, and overall adventurous as well. And if you're already in a relationship, it seems like this can be a phase in your relationship where you can feel that things are working in your favor. You can find things being very good between you and your partner. There can be clarity if there have been certain things that you both are not able to manage, then this month can bring that clarity. But yes, there can also be times when you can feel that there is some kind of immaturity in your relationship, maybe from your side or from your partner's side. There can be that sense of immaturity, but it seems like this is something that you can manage and deal with, and you would leave the troubles behind and eventually look for the positivity in your connection. It is also likely that you can travel as well, and with your loved ones, with your loved one as well. So all of these positivity and optimistic situations can be there in your love life. And in contrast, talking about your career, it seems like there can be times, maybe in the situations you are in, you can feel that you're not very happy with what you're doing. Things can be monotonous, or you can feel that the efforts that you're putting in is not fetching you the kind of rewards that you are actually expecting. So there can be a phase of transition. Maybe you can be on that zone of making some important choices or leaving the things behind that are not working for you. So you can be more cautious and conscious about making those choices in your career. You can be willing to work on the things that can actually provide you that fulfillment. So this can be a phase where you may not be very happy with the present situations, and you're figuring out ways to how you can do better, how you can make the important changes that can eventually make you feel happy about your career and your professional life. This can also mean some changes can also happen in your career. So yes, you can have all of these things going on in your mind and eventually make up your choice as well. And for the finances, it is the wheel of fortune, which means that those ups and downs regarding your finances can be there. At the same time, if something positive is going on, it doesn't mean that you take some irresponsible steps because things are in your favor working. So you have to be cautious when it comes to making those financial choices as well. And also, now talking about the oracle advice for you, it is flower, be honest with yourself. Now this means that there can be things that maybe you're not talking about or not addressing it, or you are in a state of denial. So this seems to be a month where you have to actually accept things, have those difficult conversations with yourself, maybe addressing the elephant in the room, because it is not just about being honest with others, but it is also about being honest with ourselves. So this can be the month where those difficult conversations can come up, and you eventually have to address it, because overall that is something that would bring that peace for you. And yes, that's it for this month. Have a great month ahead.